LDJH Cebu, a light burns bright, a radiant flame in the darkest night. Pastor Rich and Pastor Kathy, your names we admire, servants of God filled with holy fire. With hands uplifted and hearts ablaze, you lead us onward through life's maze. In your footsteps we see the divine, a path of faith where love aligns. Through the storms of life, you stand so strong, proclaiming His word, correcting the wrong. With courage unwavering, you stand so strong. With courage unwavering, you boldly declare that God is with us beyond despair. Pastor Rich, rich in wisdom, a fatherly guide. With faith as your shield and truth as your pride, you shepherd the lost, you comfort the weak. With words of power the heart you seek. Pastor Kat, with love and care, you've taught us to trust, to kneel and pray. You are an empty vessel, a sacrifice pure. Through you, His kingdom will always endure. In JILDJH, where faith has grown, through your labor of love, His glory is shown. The halls resound with praise and worship as you lead us in His righteous ways. Every sermon you preach, a heavenly fire. Every word a spark, lifting us higher. Your voices echo, your hearts proclaim the power of Jesus, His mighty name. When darkness falls and shadows loom, your faith ignites the light to bloom. You remind us all of the price He paid, of love eternal that will never fade. In moments of joy, you share our cheer. In times of sorrow, you draw us near. Through your example, we've learned to see God's hand at work in every decree. So today, we gather with hearts aglow to honor you both, the servants of God. Pastor Rich and Pastor Kat, you've shown the way to walk with Christ every single day. May blessings overflow as rivers run deep. May He grant you strength, His promises keep. For in your faith we've found our own, a reflection of Jesus who sits on His throne. Let the music rise with tones divine as we offer this tribute a heavenly sign. Pastor Rich and Pastor Kat, forever you'll be, guiding His flock towards eternity. Thank you so much.
Wow, thank